Pensieve, and this is what our app does. So if you press the button patient, this will take you to a login screen. You can log in and enter your ID and then press OK. And this will lead you to the patient task screen. If you go back and go back again, you can choose to create a profile, and this will have this information, and you press OK, and it will also take you to the patient main screen. Now let's say instead of accessing as a patient, you want to access as a family member. Well, you also have the option to log in, enter your info, or which leads you to the family main screen. And if you go back and then choose to create a profile instead, it leads you to this screen. Notice how it says your loved one's phone number. So this screen is a little bit different from your patient login screen, but it does lead you to the family member task screen. And if you press on an action, you get the graph, and you can change it to from 1 day to 1 week and see the different graphs. You press back and you can choose to add a new task using the plus button, and you can click on the time at the top, and this will lead you to a new time picker. Go back, and if you choose that, you have the options of getting settings. You press settings, it will lead you to this, set your account. If you press overview, it will lead you to the overview graph. And if you press log out, well, it logs you out of this screen. And so here's some more extras. So on the family member screen, if you swipe right on a task, there's a trash can. If you click on it, it deletes the task, and it's supposed to. And also, if you hold onto it, the patient screen, the patient has the option to write notes. So this is our watch to phone interaction. And so let's say you're the patient and you load the screen, and let's say you forgot to do it. The default time here is 10 seconds. So let's say after 10 seconds, the watch will notify the patient, right, like this, saying that, hey, don't forget to feed your dog. So you swipe left to go to the next screen, and you swipe left again. The watch is definitely very difficult, to interact with. And so here's the can't remember screen. And then if you swipe left again, you get the yes screen. Now, when we press the question mark in the can't remember, this leads you to this screen. And if you press that, you get this new screen. And you can go back. And if they're okay, then you go back to your task screen.